Assalamu alaikum, everyone. It is really nice to be out in the community today to celebrate, but also to commemorate. And I will ask, before I say the remainder of my words, if I can ask all of you to rise, and if we can have a moment of silence for the over 9,000 people in Gaza that have passed away with these tragic, these absolute atrocities that have been committed against them. Please join me in recognizing the loss of these lives. Jazakallah khair. Thank you. You know, हमारे सब घरानों में बच्चे हैं. Our wives, our sisters, our brothers. And जब भी मैं अपने nephews and nieces को देखती हूँ, I can't help but have tears in my eyes for what is happening in Gaza right now. And I really want to first and foremost thank each and every one of you for your advocacy, for your continued advocacy, for ensuring that we are doing our part. Over these past 4 weeks, I've spoken out many times calling for a ceasefire. We have successfully advocated for $60 million worth of aid going into Gaza. Tomorrow we'll be hopefully getting the over 450 Canadians that are stuck there to come back to Canada. But I need your support to continue to advocate. I need you to raise your voices with mine to ensure that what is happening in Gaza does not become a genocide. That what is happening in Gaza right now with so many people dying is a lived reality by all of us. That we stand true to our Canadian principles of humanitarianism, of human rights, of rule of law, and that we continue to speak out against atrocities that are committed against so many innocent civilian lives. So today, as we gather for this Milad, I hope that we all pray. That we all pray for the lives that have been lost, and that we pray for the freedom of Palestinians in Gaza and across the world. Jazakallah khair for all of your continued support. Please know that I am here to listen and to advocate. Please reach out to me, share with me your thoughts. I am hosting an event in the next week. Check out my Facebook page so that you can come out and raise your concerns with us collectively as a community. And I hope that your advocacy continues. And I know that mine will never stop. Jazakallah khair.